Hey guys, we received this brand's 30 pack summer kits or the summer party favors with the zipper bracelet and the Valentine card. So this is a great, for the schools, like you have to give the kids something for other kids. So these are the 30 cards and this is a free gift. I will show that later on. And this is the Valentine cards that you can use with these bracelets. So it's to and from. You can fill it up, and on the back, so it's a nice vibrant card and 30 cards and 30 bracelets. So this can be a party favor, or this can be just used in the schools when the kids want to just give it to their friends. So this is a nice bracelet, and I will show you that as well. So this is a zipper, and you can just use it as a fun thing as well. You can lock it so it becomes a bracelet, and then you can just open this up and then two color two strings or whatever, like the way you want to use it. So you can use it as a reward or you can use it as a gift. It's up to you. And this is a reliable lock system, as you can see it here, with a dual zipper buffer or the puller and the easy to use thing. So all the different colors and combinations are here. So let's have a fun and have variety for the kids. And you can also use it in a different way. Like you can connect these two bracelet in one and or make it a long chain or something, like whatever the way you want. But there's a color and the nice combination with the quality wise, the zipper is also smooth. And as I said, you can combine these two bracelet together and this becomes a big one or as a necklace or whatever the way you want. So basically a very nice thing, a very nice gift, a very nice and handy thing. So this is the free gift that comes with this pack. It's a lizard or the stretchy lizard. Um, so you can also have a bulk pack of it from this brand, and you can see this have a stretchy and the sticky nature. So you can just stretch it the way. So very nice, the bracelet kit and this free gift.